Hey, what's up guys? This is Soda Pop with the left pedal, and I'm going to show you how to clean those foggy headlights with toothpaste. So one of the easiest ways to make your car look better is to make your headlights crystal clear again. The Mustang's headlights are a little fogged up, so we're going to see what we can do. First thing we're going to do is tape the surrounding body panels. Toothpaste is an abrasive, so you don't want to be rubbing it into your paint. Also, make sure you're using automobile or painter's tape. You don't want super strong tape that'll take your paint off with it, because that'll make you sad. Now we're going to wash the headlight with water and soap. We want to take off any dust particles so that we don't rub them into the plastic. Now for the toothpaste. Take your time and rub it in really well. The grittiness of the toothpaste will help to remove the grime you have stuck on the headlight. Cover the entire surface, and when you're satisfied with the coat, let it sit for a few minutes. After waiting about 10 minutes, use soap and water to wash it off. The Mustang's headlights weren't bad, so after one coat it came out amazing. If your headlights are really foggy, you may need to repeat the process a couple times. But yeah, it really is that simple. Remove the tape and enjoy not only having your headlights look new, but also increase nighttime visibility. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and consider subscribing to the left pedal. We come out with new car stuff every Tuesday and Thursday. See you next time.